All right, little ones, let's get you somewhere safe and warm. Gently does it.
All right, team, assessment is critical. Let's get it off the truck. Copy that, lifting now. Watch the suspension on the left. All right, lowering now, nice and easy. Alignment is spot on, give me the calibrated wrench. Perfect, connecting the Arctic lines. Ground cable is a go, the heart is home.
Thank you! Midnight Motors did it! This is for the team!
It's her.
All right, little ones, let's get you somewhere safe and warm. Gently does it.
Secure those straps tight. We need to distribute the weight evenly or she'll crack. All right, easy now, lift slowly.
All right, team, assessment is critical. Let's get it off the truck. Copy that, lifting now. Watch the suspension on the left.
The preliminary analysis on the tablet indicates severe biocontamination and saltwater damage. We'll start with the 3000 heat.
The heart of the machine. Fluids are holding. Careful with that panel. The soul survives. Everything else, we rebuild.
8 hours straight, and they're like new.
Look at that finish on the suspension.
Worth every minute.
The V12, it's a frozen heart. Water damage is catastrophic. But don't worry, here is our solution.
The chassis is mounted on the jig. I'm marking the stress cracks here. Good, now cut with the diamond grit tool. Apply the T1000G and epoxy.
The tolerances are spot on.
Perfect. This Arctic rating ensures peak performance.
The polish is flawless.
Every bead perfect, right on spec. Precision cuts, just like we mapped it. Heat treat complete, ready for assembly.
Perfect fit.
Just as expected from Modena.
50 hours well spent. Absolutely perfect.
The Arctic Phantom formula. 7 flakes, pearl white, blue-gray shift.
Base coat applied, smooth and controlled.
Cured under infrared. Watch it emerge.
Looks perfect. Ready to coat. All right, lowering now, nice and easy. Alignment is spot on, give me the calibrated wrench. Perfect, connecting the Arctic lines. Ground cable is a go, the heart is home. Excellent, the Arctic Fox interior is complete. Perfect, pure Pagani craftsmanship. Keep it steady, Isabella. Uniform bead, Marcus. Perfect fit, test the lights. Headlights and DRLs illuminated, deploying rear wing. Brake pressure looks perfect. Oil is topped off, coolant's full. Let's do this. All right, here we go. We've got power. Let's bring it home. Yes! 6 years. It's alive. The Arctic Phantom Pagani. Every detail, perfection refined. The ceramic coating creates beads smaller than 5.
The craftsmanship on this AMG V12 is truly exceptional. Every component is perfection.
Thank you! Midnight Motors did it! This is for the team! Thank you! Midnight Motors did it! This is for the team!
Did it!
This is unbelievable.